Hello guys, it's me Promise Plays. Hi guys, it's me Promise Plays, and today we're going to be playing what should we play? We are going to be playing the Elevator Remade. Roblox is now running. What? I never knew that this game will be taken down on June the 18th. I'm so sad. Hurry up and let me join the game. Yay, 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 it is letting me join the game. I am so happy. I am so happy. I am so happy. Okay, let's go into this elevator. I really hate the one that squishes you, or the one that pulls you out. I don't really remember the name. I always go to the side and protect myself. Jeez, you see why I go to the side all the time? And now he's in here. Wow. Give me the hot dog. Ha 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 ha. Just give me the hot dog. And one question to somebody that commented on my video. Why? Just why? Just why? Oh my gosh, I never knew that the ceiling was collapsing. Oh my god, we're all in the floor. Somebody, aka Panda something, I don't know. Why are you here? Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Anyway. Tower of Ascension, Lunar Section. Tower of Heaven, Lunar Section. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is very scary. No! I'll just go. Oh! I'm dead, aren't I? Ugh! Why do I need to die? And that thing was about to close on me. That is just annoying. Okay. No. It's closing. Go to the side. Blackout City. Oh. This better not be the one that it just pulls you in when you don't want to go. What is this one? Nothing's happening. I've never been in this one before. Like, Seriously. What the hell happened? What? Okay, I guess I survived that one. I'm on floor 88. Who keeps on jumping? Stupid people. Stop it. Haha. You fail. Think. Yes, ducks, ducks, ducks. It's raining ducks from out of the sky. Ducks, no need to know why. Just close your eyes and look for some ducks. I think I got one. Bonus ducks. Bonus ducks. I swear I got one. This is so annoying. This is so annoying when you don't even get the ducks. This is so annoying. This is so annoying when you don't even get the ducks. This is so annoying. This is so annoying when you don't even get the. Uh-oh. Wait, is this the one that makes the like things go together? That's why you shouldn't be standing in the middle. Okay. I'm the hot dog guy. Give me the hot dog! Well, that's a taco. Oh, this is the one that wants to pull you in. I think. Oh my gosh. Stop flipping pulling me. What? How did I die? What? Oh my god! What are these Lego stuff falling on me? I can't even move. Jesus. Wow. Whew. Undertale Asgore. I don't even play Undertale, so. For 1 second I thought I was floating, but then I was standing on this person. Anyway, bonus ducks. What's this one? What's this? You have to try and get out. I guess I failed that one. Wait, is this the one that tries to pull you out? I swear it is. What? They've got a trophy. I want a trophy. Have they done all of the floors or something? This is the one. This is the one. No! I'm not getting pulled out! This is the one that I was talking about. Kirby. Phew. That was close. Oh, Tower of Heaven's Stairway to Elevation. Never heard of this one before, but I'm just gonna stay at the side, just in case. Tower of Heaven's Stairway to Elevation. Uh-oh. What one is this? Is it the ceiling one? Okay, go to the other side, everybody. Brace yourselves! Phew. Super Mario 64 bomb battle. Stop it. Paper Mario. TT1. Noob attack. Noob attack. Jesus. Please help me. If I get killed because of... Ew, it's face. Their faces. And this is not even how noobs dress. Hi, noob. 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 Noob, are you okay? I'll keep on following you. Jesus. Can you see that face, guys? Look at it. It's ugly. Shit. They got it. Could be bit pop. Ha. In case you're wondering, I'm not a potato. Why are they all standing there? Is it this the one that follows you? Oh. Headless face, lost head down. Oh, shame. I want that potato and that trophy. That's not fair. In case you're wondering, yes, I'm still a potato. Oh. Jeez. Who knew a cow could do that? Undertale premonition? I think that's how you say it. Undertale fans, please comment on this video telling me how to say it. Yeah. And one thing, guys. If you haven't already, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. If you haven't already, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And yeah. And if you didn't like the video, do not comment, bad things, but just dislike it. Oh no, oh no, oh no. What is this? What is this?